Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here with David Demetri, one of our systems engineers, who's going to tell you about his role here at TeamLogic IT.
Thanks, Jen. As she said, I'm one of the systems engineers here. I work with supporting our clients, working on projects anywhere from cloud migrations to replacing network equipment, servers. I also work on supporting clients from day-to-day tasks if things come up, and I have several clients that I visit on a regular basis, either weekly or monthly.
Thank you. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out. Until next time.